Hello guys, welcome to my channel.
Welcome back at my new series on YouTube channel for Kotlin. Myself, Dr. Vipin Kumar. I am starting my series today on Kotlin. What is Kotlin? Kotlin is a new general purpose language, open source language based on Java. It is also just like a Java, it is object oriented and also having a features of functional programming. So as we know, it's more powerful than Java. Kotlin developed by JetBrains. JetBrains is the same company which have built Android Studio software or IDE for Google. JetBrains built IntelliJ IDEA ID for Java. This same ID we are using for Kotlin programming also. As I told you, JetBrains also made or built Android Studio software for Google for building an Android application. And just 1 year back, Google also announced Kotlin as Kotlin as a official Android application or Android programming language for Android Studio after Java. There's some features of Kotlin. Kotlin is a more flexible than Java. Kotlin is a more powerful than Java. Why it's more powerful? Because it's having more expressive and more concise. Means you can write more in a less code. Okay, you can express more and within a few code. That is the more power of Kotlin. And it is used to build Android application also along with Java and C++. Means you can use Java also and C++ also with Kotlin. More safer than Java because it's a immutable language and also do not have a null pointer exception. Many time when we make a Java program, we have a null pointer exception error, but in Kotlin we do not have null pointer exception error. The most striking feature of Kotlin is that it is interoperable with Java. That means Kotlin and Java both can be used together in a same project. You can call Java function in Kotlin or Kotlin function in Java. It's a great feature. Because of that, we say is more powerful than Java.